What are projects in Google Drive? In this video, I'm going to answer a simple question. What are projects in Google Drive? If you've noticed a new projects section in Google Drive and wondered what it's for, this tutorial explains exactly what it does and why you might need it. Google announced projects at Google Cloud Next in April 2026 and rolled it out to most users by May. Projects is a game changer for teams and anyone managing multiple related files. By the end of this video, you'll understand what projects does and when to use them. Let's break it down. A project is a focused workspace inside Google Drive that groups files, folders, and emails related to one specific task or goal. Instead of chasing files scattered across Drive and hunting through email threads, projects brings everything together in one place. The key difference from regular folders is that projects don't move or reorganize your actual files. They create a virtual container that pulls live links to your existing documents. Your original folder structure stays exactly the same. Open Google Drive on your computer. In the left sidebar, click Projects. Click Create Project. Give your project a name like Client Marketing Campaign or Q3 Budget Review. Click Create. Google suggests related files automatically, but you choose which ones to add. You can also drag entire folders in or add specific Gmail emails as sources. Setup takes less than 5 minutes. Once created, your project becomes a workspace with several capabilities. First, manage multiple files together. All your project files are visible on one screen. Second, built-in task management. Assign tasks to team members, set deadlines, and track status. Third, an activity feed. See who edited what and when at a glance. Fourth and most powerful, Gemini integration. Ask Gemini questions about your project sources, and it answers based only on the files you added. No searching through all of Drive. Example 1, Client Campaign. Create a project for a marketing client. Add their brand guidelines, previous campaigns, budget documents, and relevant emails from their inbox. Ask Gemini, what were our promised deliverables in the April email, or summarize the client's brand goals from these documents. Gemini answers instantly, grounded in your specific sources. Example 2, Research Project. Add research papers, notes, meeting minutes, and email threads. Ask Gemini, what are the main findings across these documents? Or create a summary table of the data points. Gemini processes everything and delivers focused answers. One file can belong to multiple projects. You don't have to choose whether a contract belongs in the client folder or the legal folder. It can be in both. Sharing is built in. Share your project with team members. They get one screen with all linked files, emails, and Gemini access. Collaborators must already have Drive permissions to those files. Gemini also connects to Gmail, Calendar, Chat, and Web Search. You can tell Gemini to search your emails or calendar for project-related information. It all stays in one workspace. Projects are available to Google Workspace Business and Enterprise Plan subscribers. They're also available to Google One subscribers with AI Pro or Ultra plans. If you have a free personal Google account, projects aren't available yet. You create projects on the web only. The mobile app doesn't support project creation yet, but you can view and share existing projects. If you're wondering how projects differs from NotebookLM, here's the key difference. NotebookLM is for deep research and learning. You upload materials to a separate website and generate summaries and diagrams. Projects are for active teamwork. They stay inside Drive and integrate with emails and calendars. Projects pull live information. If you update a file, Gemini sees the new version instantly. With NotebookLM, you need to re-upload. Use projects for ongoing work. Use NotebookLM for deep analysis and new ideas. For maximum impact, add both files and Gmail threads to your project. This gives Gemini context about not just what was planned, but what was actually discussed and agreed upon in emails. Ask questions like, what did the client ask for in their most recent email? This combination makes Gemini much smarter about your specific work. Summary Projects in Google Drive is a virtual workspace that brings related files, folders, and emails together without moving anything. You get built-in task management and AI-powered questions through Gemini. Setup takes minutes. Sharing is as easy as regular folders. If you manage projects, work with teams, or juggle multiple related files, Projects saves hours every week. If this tutorial helped you understand Google Drive projects, please like and subscribe for more workspace tips. Comment below and tell me what kind of project you're planning to create first. Thanks for watching.